Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelenskiy merilis daftar senjata yang dibutuhkan Ukraina melawan agresi Rusia. Pakar mengatakan Ukraina tidak akan bertahan lebih dari seminggu jika Rusia menginvasi Ukraina. Faktanya kami tidak hanya berhasil menghentikan tentara Rusia, kami bahkan memaksa mereka mundur meski kemenangan belum tercapai. Ini baru putaran pertama, kata Zelenskiy dikutip Tribun Timur dari media resminya Kamis tanggal 14 April. Putin dan pasukannya mengubah strategi mereka. Mereka memperkuat kekuatan mereka di Kharkiv dan semua wilayah Donbas, termasuk Mariupol. Rusia tidak berencana untuk berhenti dengan Ukraina. Mesin propaganda Putin secara terbuka menyatakan bahwa Eropa adalah target logis berikutnya setelah Ukraina.
Russia launched a full-scale war against Ukraine on February 24th. Now it's April. Russia counted on capturing Ukraine within 5 days. That was the deadline they established for obliterating our country and destroying our democracy. But they had no idea who they were up against. Russia didn't know how much we cherished our freedom. We've been defending ourselves against Russia much longer than they invaders planned. We have destroyed more Russian weapons and military equipment than some armies in Europe currently possess. But this is not enough. Russia still had the capacity to attack, and not only against Ukraine. Poland, Moldova, Romania, and the Baltic states will become the next targets if the freedom of Ukraine falls. The images of Bucha and Mariupol have demonstrated real Russian intentions to the whole world. It could only be stopped by force of arms. It must be done now. Ukraine needs weapon supplies. We need heavy artillery, armed vehicles, air defense systems, and combat aircraft. Anything to repel Russian forces and stop their war crimes. Artillery 155 millimeters. Artillery shells 152 millimeters, as many as possible. Multiple launch rocket systems. Grad, Smersh, Tornado, or M142 HIMARS. Armored vehicles, APC, infantry, fighting vehicles, others, tanks, T-72 or similar tanks from the USA or Germany, air defense systems, S-300, Buk or Western equivalents. Military aircraft must have to deblock our cities and save millions of Ukrainians as well as millions of Europeans. Freedom must be armed better than tyranny. Western countries have everything to make it happen. The final victory over the tyranny and the number of people saved depends on them. Arm Ukraine now to defend freedom.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.